Who be that?
Come and open this gate, my friend.
Maggie. You know this gate they open. Say I no lock am.
Ogbono, don't forget say you be gate man, and I will do to make the open gate for me anytime I come out. Come open gate for me, abeg.
Hi. Okay.
I don't get enter.
I know.
Ogene.
I know plenty.
Ogene. How many times I call you? Ogene.
Obiaba. Why would you be calling my name like that? Una your papa give me the name. Okay. I know why. I know why. Shebi, na this market where you go since morning. Now they come back now. Okay. You don't from market there. Now go branch another place. This thing.
No, they touch me.
What you they do? Oga go hear them. Yes.
Oga go hear wetin? Wetin you want tell Oga? Say I no gree give you abi. You see this thing eh? You no go see and chop. I go starve you. See this thing where they here? I go starve you to death. You no go see anything.
Yeah. Listen to me. Imagine. I not chop this thing finish. Make I know wetin make me not chop this thing. It is me and you dey talk that kind of nonsense. But I must report it to Oga so that you go come. Give me for the thing. No problem. No problem.
Supposing I convince Sam to marry you, would you forgive and accept him back?
Clara, did you just say that? Of course. Look at me, I'm not getting any younger. Besides, the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know.
In that case, give him a call.
You see, you are just a feeble-minded woman. Eh? You are a feeble-minded woman, and you are easily deceived.
All the man
You are easily deceived.
No problem. Please, give me money, let me go.
I don't have money.
Even if it's 500 naira, give me, let me complete the one I have.
Why are you always in a hurry? Huh? Get your differ. Why can't you exercise patience for him to come back?
Patience? Did I hear you well? Patience in this kind of crucial matter.
There is nothing crucial in this matter. Nothing is crucial in this matter. See.
Oh, thank you. I'm going.
I'm also happening. I have not seen Mr. Ben for some time.
His phone is ringing, but he's not picking up.
Don't call him again. We will drive to his place. If he's not around, we will wait for him.
You cannot just walk out of the relationship like that. Who does that? Waking up one morning and then saying it's over. I'm going to his house.
Umade.
How can I say like that? Eh? Okay. What's in that?
Oh my food.
I don't cook. Food no do.
Huh? For waiting now.
Meaning say I no cook.
Maggie, Biko. Don't try this at home. Don't play with my belly. Because stop being wicked now.
No be you talk say you go report me for Oga. So now you don't come stand here, they beg me food. Food no day.
Mba, because Maggie, no joke. No joke with my belly. Because give me my lunch. You know say I never chop anything since morning. Because give me my food.
You want food, Abby?
Yes.
Oh, get them. So you want food, eh?
Yes.
I am down. Me down for me.
But I'm not kneeling down because of that food. Not because of.
I am down now. I am clean my way for me. Oh yeah. Now food go kill. Aya. Idiot. Come here. Come here,
Maggie. Maggie. Ngwa, come back. Because I don't need the other food again. Just give me food, make I chop. Because hey. Don't worry. Just give me the food for mouth. Make I chop now. Hey. What did I do this girl? Who be that? Who are coming? Madam, who are you? I want to help you.
I am Samuel's mother.
Huh? You are my godmother. Oh, no. Come inside. Come inside. Welcome. Welcome. I don't know say my God. Let me. I will follow you. So my God will not follow me.
Of course. Oh, we thank God. All the news is everywhere. Peter and Paul back together. Oh yeah. Mama, I'm going. Mama, welcome. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Mama,
Thank you.
I'm fine. Please. Please sit. Mama, so how is Papa?
He's fine.
And everyone in the village?
We are all fine.
How was your journey?
Thank God. So how are you?
Mama, I'm fine. I'm really surprised to see you.
I see.
Yes, Mama, welcome.
Thank you.
So, what can I offer you, Mama?
Don't worry yourself for now. Actually, I came to inquire something from you.
That's why you won't take anything?
No, don't worry. What is going on between you and Amaka?
Nothing much. We're just trying to...
Trying to what?
To get to know one another.
Wait. Did you or did you not propose to Amaka recently?
Yes, I...
Please, I don't want any argument.
Mr. Farmer.
Peter, how are you?
Mr. Farmer, I'm okay. As if you care. But that notwithstanding, tell your son to leave Amaka for me. Else I will kill him and kill myself.
I don't understand.
I don't have water in my mouth. Tell your son to leave Amaka for me. Did you hear me very well? Or else I will kill him and kill myself. You should go back to Nancy.
My pigeon.
Wow. Okay.
Oh, former DK.
I was actually going to your house.
Ah.
Yes.
Well, nothing has changed. They have not told me that they're not buying the land again.
Are you serious? I suggest you call them and find out.
Please excuse me. I have an important meeting to attend.
This man suddenly changed. Maybe would you promise to share the money with him equally?
The ways of God are different from the ways of man.
If you have had the carnal knowledge of Amaka, just follow me back to the village. Let's go and see the chief priest for cleansing and purification before you land yourself into trouble.
Mama, there is no point visiting the chief priest for any purification or cleansing or whatsoever. I only propose to her.
Shut up! Shut your mouth, Samuel.
The thoughts of God higher than those of man. Never you conclude, 'cause you don't know what the mind of God is.
Get it! Maybe get that. Did you hear the horn? Open the gate, people.
Madam.
Maybe get that. Maybe get.
Madam. Who call my Oga? Who call my Oga for phone? He say, make I not open this gate for anybody. Or he go pursue me. Biko. Oh?
Yeah? Okay. I don't have way. Maybe get that, Biko.
Madam, Biko.
This Sam telling us open gate for me.
Yes.
Eh? Madam. Maybe get that. What's wrong with this man?
Don't do that. Don't do that, please. Just call Sam on the phone. You don't have any case with this fool. Okay? Look at who you want to fight with. Stop!
Oh, madam.
Hey!
He will not pick.
Call him first.
Oh, madam. No vessel. My Oga want me very, very well. Because if I lose this job,
I told you. He's not picking. He's not picking.
Trying his number.
Oh, it's not my fault, though. Madam, it's not my fault.
Are you out of your mind? Huh?
Hello?
Sam, I'm at your gate. Please tell Ogene to open the gate for me.
What's your problem now? Didn't I ask you to send me your account details? Why are you disturbing me?
Sam, you are a fool. I will deal with you, Sam.
That's your business. That's your business. Send me your account. Stop calling my phone. Stop calling my phone. Mama.
You see what they came on?
What are we going to do?
You thought I was playing.
You know what? We need to drive out of this place. Just get into the car.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
It's okay!
Are you okay? Are you alright? Huh?
I love her.
You love who? If I hear that from your mouth again, it won't me back. If I hear you say love again, you bury me. Are you out of your mind? Hey!
Hey! If you see wetin I do, that madam, who find our oga come. Now, I know say my power. Get that come.
Again, what's up?
Ha! You know say I dey inside. Now I come dey hear knock for gate. Iba. Now I come out. Open gate. Now I come see that madam with her friend we get big nyash. Now I come say, oh my God, say may nobody enter this compound.
Again, what do? She don't tell this girl say make she no dey come here.
Now be the problem.
Okay, once I come.
Now the problem be that. So when I come tell them say, they no go enter. Two of them who come gather me. This one, lift me for like this leg. The other one, lift me for this one. Now I come home myself. As I come see say, I don't go down. I say no. Say, this thing no go work. Now I come gather my muscle. Who can't get up? I can't they push them outside. I can't they throw them outside. Who can't lock the gate?
You sabi lie? You can lie, eh? You will say you no get single strength. No only food lie, sabi. Now you tell me say you get power, push them out. Hi.
Maggie, don't try this at home. Maggie, no insult me. Ngwachero. Wait. Shebi, you thought say I no get power. Maggie, make we go inside. Make we go inside. Make I show you say na me be something.
Okay, come.
Come. Go inside.
I noticed that very day, PG took sides with Obenuju. I thought he would have dumped her and joined the winning team.
That woman is very, very desperate. She must have promised him 50% of the money.
That is rubbish. Listen, you are the oldest in our family. You can easily decide that you are not going to sell the land again and nothing will happen.
That is exactly what I'm going to do. After all, I've been surviving without the 100 million naira.
I'm highly disappointed at PG.
That man is a fool. He's an idiot. A very big fool. But I must make sure he regrets his action.
He must regret it. He must. Yes, he must regret it. Because no one didn't know that was wrong. Just a reason of that. Take it in. All they didn't know that
I'm not saying she should not marry any man of her choice. But let her respect that Akwojo. Eh? Let her mourn her husband properly.
I think she has been brainwashed.
No. Do something. You're her brother.
I have done virtually everything to call her to order. But she turned deaf ears.
I hope she knows the implication of what she's doing. Cheating on a dead husband.
Okay, I was very, very happy with your actions that day.
That is it.
Okay, then.
I don't mean.
Eh? And I'm an Aluta draw.
Masam.
Your hands are good though.
Join us.
Thank you. Thank you.
There.
No, I'm okay.
My wife, what of our son?
9. Something has to be done to deliver him from the hand of a wicked widow.
I don't understand.
Samuel Nwagi has vowed to spend the rest of his life with Amaka.
Hey. Is he hallucinating or what? Is this a mirage or what? Don't tell me you're serious, because I know this is total hallucination.
No, let me go.
Okay,
I'm not drinking, though, please.
Are you sure the get the person are not chanting? Is it possible? Samuel, how many times did I call you now? So you have refused to come home for proper cleansing and purification for the atrocious thing you've done. You don't know that you just committed a taboo, defiling our culture and tradition that I am representing.
Father, I need you to...
Will you shut up before I forget this my palms on your face? Are you insane? So you do not know that sleeping with a woman that is still wearing a woju is a taboo, is a crime.
That's what I'm trying to explain to you. I have not said...
Don't task my patience any longer. That young lady has been visiting you here. I've been hearing oftentimes that she do visit you. So you've been watching her picture. You've not been doing anything with her. This is a taboo and you must be cleansed. Whether you like it or not, you must come for purification. I do not want anything to happen to me and my wife and the entire family. But if you think you will continue, I will have no other option but to disown you. I and your mother will disown you. I will do exactly that. You want to be a total disgrace to what I represent. Listen and listen very good. If you do not come for the purification and cleansing, my dear, you cease to be my son. I will disown you. Read my lips. I will disown you.
Emeka, I have respect for you. Tell me the truth. Are you going out with Samuel?
Samuel proposed to me. When I take off this akuju, I will marry him.
Ooh. How could you make such a mistake? Your mother-in-law is not happy that you are getting married to a man who allegedly killed her son.
Samuel does not have a hand in the death of my late husband.
Even at that, you should have respected the akuju till the period of mourning is over.
No, you people are welcome. Chijoke, come. Go and tell Mama Nancy to bring Nancy down.
Okay, my brother. Nah, I got listen.
Omeka ne. Side of food. Welcome. Enu ago kadimba. No. Ogo.
Malo Emeka nne.
Your wife.
Yeah. Mana amma, wata kwara ka riba yarin ma biko. Ima. Manka. Oh.
Welcome. Nancy, how are you? Nancy.
Papa.
We are done with the traditional rites and the bride price has been paid. It is time for you to show us who the man is.
You see?
Come here. Huh? Chacha Eke. Come and be. Okay, roll them with your Francic on me. My daughter. Why the man you go say any? You go call them that. I know you.
Ah, ngana amma.
Never.
Na bia go ni go.
Ena aga peso kwa mo.
Okay, mari pasipa.
Okay, but
Oh.
Ya no man.
Iba ne buga ne. Go we ba ne.
Ka mo ta.
Okay ni.
Dimpa.
I'll Dimpa will block me.
Igazuragas.
Oh, Chyko. How about you?
Heavenly Father, we thank you for this union. This day is a day you have blessed. These two couples, we are joining them together traditionally. Multiply them. Make them fruitful. Whatever they will use to grow and take care of their children, they will never lack.
Who is here? Hello? Yes. Who are you? My name is Sam.
Okay. I am Sam's fiancé. Leave Sam alone. Leave him alone. Leave my fiancé alone. Next time I smell anything like you around Sam, you don't want to know what I'll do to you. You're not even ashamed of yourself. You're still wearing black. Last warning. Leave Sammy alone, else you can get back into your smelling house.
You told me you were going to her house to fight her. So, how did it go?
I didn't fight her. I'm saying when I got to her house, she couldn't talk. The only thing I did was to warn her to stay away from Sam.
You think that will help? Well, from the look of things, Amaka has really gone deep with Sam. I don't think anyone can stop her.
Clara, I don't care. I don't care. She must leave Sam, whether she likes it or not.
A piece of advice from me. Just be careful.
Wait a minute. Anne was here? What did she come to do?
If you didn't promise her marriage, like she said, there is no way she would have had the effrontery to show up by my doorstep.
Oh, come on, Amaka. Anne is a thing of the past. Yes, I promised her marriage, but along the line I saw that we can make man and wife. I mean, it won't work between us, so I parted ways with her and then I moved on.
That's about the same way you realized that Nancy was not the one for you. And then you moved away. Somewhat, these things are not clear. Is that what you do?
No.
Is that who you are?
No. All right, I'll make it clear to you. These people are in my past. Yes, I probably had something to do with them, but they're not like you. You're different. You're far different from those people.
Samuel asked me to marry him. And I said yes. When I officially take off this akwuju, we'll be getting married.
How could you, Amaka? How could you, of all people, be in love with a man whose father accused you of cheating on your late husband? How could you, of all the men? Why, Samuel? Why?
I am not getting married to Ofoma. I am getting married to the man who has promised to restore my battered and shattered life.
I see. Were you not aware that Samuel has a fiancé in the city?
No, he doesn't.
Were you not told?
No, he doesn't have any woman anywhere other than me. Besides, what is this? Weren't you the one that advised me to open up my heart to another man? Why does this news make you so upset?
Hey, just look at you, Amaka. Oh yes, I remember. but I never asked you to go for Samuel. Emeka, you know what? I am just disappointed. I am out of here with your stupid choice. Rubbish! I don't give such friend.
Eze, as far as I am concerned, Sam cannot marry Emeka.
I don't know why this boy is behaving like this. What does he see in Amaka?
In fact, I don't understand. Samuel will not bring shame to Akubife's family.
One now, say something now. Ofoma.
We are talking about your son and you are keeping silent.
What do you expect me to say? What do you want me to say? Kedife samuna chonuku wanya jadu. Kedife na chonuku amaka. Or have you forgotten that I'm a tattooed man in this community? Let me tell you, as far as that boy continue with this rubbish, read my lips. If he continues with that rubbish, I will disown him. Yes. He ceases to be my son. Yes.
One now, calm down. Calm down. You know we are one family. Umwaka izu amweka hasi eme. Askwa na egbu omi iwe enye mi isi.
Are you going out?
Where is No. Anyway, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Hey, welcome.
Good afternoon.
No. Okay, Peter. Welcome.
Thank you. Singular. Plural. Peters is when there are two. But this time it is one person. We are two. Just I cannot see the other one. We are two. No, she's right.
Oh.
Yeah. Peters, I big boy. Not only me. If you see where you see another Peter in me, that one Peters.
I don't understand. So only you two you want?
Yes. You will not blame us. We that attended night school. What do you expect? I say let me come and celebrate with you for what happened a few days ago. No, I traveled as usual. Where Batana and Nufuna something there. So that's why I'm here. So is it Nancy's wedding? Yes. It was a great one. You know that my daughter and Hachi, they are very close. I am the one in position to tell you this. Because this happened in outside. If I remember and also they played ball. Abba ball. They played. You will not understand. I'm in spirit now. Things happened. Peter. So this happened. But I'm happy now. She's married. Is that not true? Yes. But I just don't complete it because Joy cannot know. No, my daughter is preparing for her wedding. And in no distant time, you will also be invited. And in where they bro no tie, they may like that. Peters is still single as such in SSS.
Hey, God forbid. Peters? Okay, Peters. God forbid, oh. My daughter has been taken. Okay. Let me go. I'm coming. Let me go to the village square. The Igwe and council are meeting. I thought was since I come back on time. No problem, my daughter. Peter. Me, Joy.
You see, our tradition and culture does not forbid a man from marrying the wife of his late cousin, brother, uncle, kinsman, if he so wish.
And that is if the woman in question has a good character. Then they can retain her.
But Amaka never had an issue with Emeka before he died.
She been living in peace with her late husband. Yet, she's not the type we can retain in our family. Yes.
Is it because of the issue of cassava theft?
Amaka is too loose. She's too loose. She can never say no to any man that comes her way. Yes.
Eze. Eze.
Okay.
Have you slept with her? So we are going down sleeping with Amaka now. You are against her.
Wash your mouth. Wash your mouth. Wash your mouth.
Hey. Eze. Eze. Okay.
Mama, you sent for me. I'm here. No one is saying anything. Listen, my aunties. Is there any problem?
We asked her to send for you.
Okay, I'm here. Is there a problem?
Samuel, are you sure you are with your senses at all?
I don't understand.
You don't make a Igbo. You know they make a Mazulazu. Your mother can no longer stand the shame of you marrying a woman who is still mourning her late husband.
Sam, we are giving you a second chance. Second chance, so if not, we will allow your mother and your dad to disown you.
Bam! You said it all.
I know the I can answer you. Record the door God.
Oh. Even no mother want to come into the matter. But we told them that we will settle it within our family. Samuel, make a mazolaz.
Samuel, be warned though. Be warned. I got to go on gear. Riado, do God. Na doga kanante na anonte. Riado, do God.
Well, I've asked myself that question 1,000 times, and all I can find in my head is, I love Emeka.
Let me ask you this. If her husband hadn't died, wouldn't you have married another woman? What are you saying? What are you saying? What is special about this Emeka?
What's special about Emeka? Yeah. Everything is special about Emeka. You just won't understand. I know it sounds somehow, she's a widow and she was married to my brother, but I don't know how to explain it.
It sounds somehow, my friend. How can a widow be special? Come on. She's still mourning her husband, for Christ's sake. See, let me tell you. Fingers are already pointing at you. That you have a hand in the death of her husband. And you're already making it so suspicious by going after...
Clems, please. What is wrong with you? Are you saying this just simply because... Come on, man. You know very well that I won't hurt the fly. You're my friend. You know I didn't do it. I won't do it.
I know, but others don't. What are you saying? A woman that her husband just died and you're going after her. Just examine it yourself. See, just be careful, my friend. Be careful. I'm telling you. What are you saying?
What is going on? Why is his phone off? He's not calling me back either. I don't even know if he eventually left for the city.
Mama is not around. We have come to see you, not your mother-in-law.
Okay. What is this about?
Won't you offer us seat first?
You're right. I'll be right back.
She's just pretending. Pretending to be good.
My fear is that Ofoma will live the rest of his life without a son.
Chacha. Oh, wow. Sam is not stupid. He will surely reverse his decision and do the needful. Yes.
And if he fails to do so?
He will regret it. He will regret it.
Okay. Well, as far as I am concerned, Ofoma and his wife took a very nasty decision.
You get your own personal opinion. If I were Ofoma, I will do the same thing. Yes.
You mean you will disown your own son?
Disown me, Tata.
You will disown your own son?
Tata can disown me. I'm not disown you. Disown you also. Yes. I don't want. I don't want.
Eze. Atuwango egu.
Mu atuko.
Ike egboru. Anambem.
Okay.
Eze ike egboru.
Ike kwa.
Anambem.
Ewe yakumbe. Ike kwa igboru. Abro ko e ma disown you. Afọ gaku.
Are you aware that Ofoma and his wife disowned Samuel today just because of your relationship with him?
What? Pretender. This is exactly what you want. And it will definitely fail.
What are you talking about? My sister and her husband had made it clear over and over again. You should leave Samuel alone. But you will not, because of your greed.
You are very wicked. Very wicked indeed. If you are his mother, would you allow him to go and marry a woman who had a child for her late husband?
You have 48 hours to quit this relationship. If not, the wrath of the father will stand.
Bam. It is only a fool like you who will impose herself upon a family that does not like her. Let us go. We have finished here. Aina.
You want to get married to your parents?
No.
You want to continue living here in the village?
No.
But what?
There is no but. You love me, right? Right?
Yes.
Then let me take care of you. Let me love you. Please.
I heard you were disowned.
Does it look like I care? Take a good look at me, Emeka. Does it look like I care? All I care about is you. You and only you. Give me the chance to make this right. Please. Please.
Woman, why do you want him dead?
He killed my son. Now he wants to marry his wife.
Sam, how many times did I call you? You cannot marry Amaka.
Mothers, please, with all due respect, can I ask you one question? Amongst you, is there anyone here who married out of his wish?
No.
Thank you. So please, allow me marry my wish.
I'm not just away with Samuel. Have you forgotten that Amaka is seen mourning her late husband? For you to marry a man looking at him,
Sam, how many times have I called you?